Are you hurt?
No, just shaken. What about you?
I'm okay. But what were you thinking?
Honestly, I didn't even see the stop sign.
The light was green for me.
I know. I messed up. I should have stopped.
This could have been worse.
You're right. I'm really sorry.
Let's stay calm and sort this out.
Agreed. It's my fault, and I'll make it right.
Is your car damaged?
Yes, the front is dented.
Mine too. We should call the police.
Agreed. I'll call them now.
I have full insurance.
So do I?
Let's exchange information.
Here's my license and registration.
Thank you. I'll wait for the police.
Me too.
What happened here?
I lost control of the car.
How did that happen?
I think the road was slippery.
Were you speeding?
No, I was driving under the limit.
Did anyone get hurt?
No, I'm fine. And no one else was involved.
Were you wearing your seatbelt?
Yes, I always do.
Did you use your brakes?
Yes, but the car didn't stop in time.
Is your car damaged?
Yes, the front is smashed.
Do you have insurance?
Yes, I have full coverage.
Do you need a tow truck?
Yes, I've already called one.
All right, let's file a report.
Okay, I'll explain everything.
Be more careful next time.
I will. Thank you, officer.
You are looking pale. Are you okay?
I'm feeling a bit tired.
Is there anything serious?
No, I just need rest.
But we plan to get some fresh air.
I know, but I don't feel good.
Are you sick?
Maybe my head hurts.
Did you eat today?
Not much, I wasn't hungry.
You should eat something.
I will when I get home.
Can you stay a bit longer?
No, I really need to go.
Do you want me to come with you?
No, I'll be fine alone.
All right, call me when you get there.
I will. Thanks for understanding. Let me know in the comments which sentence was your favorite, or share your practice sentences with me. I need to go for a checkup.
Are you feeling unwell?
No, just a routine check.
That's good. When are you going?
Tomorrow morning.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I called earlier.
What time is your appointment?
At 9 a.m.
Where is the clinic?
It's on Elm Street.
Do you need a ride?
No, I'll drive myself.
Will you be taking any tests?
Yes, a blood test.
I hope everything goes well.
Thanks, I hope so too.
Let me know how it goes.
I will. Thanks for asking.
Take care.
You too. What do you do for work?
I work as a car mechanic.
Where do you work?
I work in a repair shop.
What kind of cars do you fix?
I fix all types of cars.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I love fixing cars.
Is the work hard?
Sometimes, but it's worth it.
How long have you been a mechanic?
I've been a mechanic for 5 years.
Do customers appreciate your work?
Yes, they often thank me.
What's the most challenging part?
Diagnosing unknown issues.
Do you fix engines too?
Yes, I repair engines and more.
Do you plan to open your own shop?
Maybe someday, but not yet.
You look stressed. What happened?
I'm having an issue with a customer.
What's the problem?
They're unhappy with a repair.
Was the repair done correctly?
Yes, but they think it wasn't.
Did you explain it to them?
Yes, but they don't trust me.
How are they acting?
They're upset and blaming me.
Did you offer a solution?
Yes, I offered to check the car again.
Did they agree to that?
Not yet. They're still angry.
Stay calm and professional.
I'll try, but it's frustrating.
I'm sure it will work out.
I hope so. Thanks for listening. Hello, how can I help you today?
I'm not happy with the repair you did on my car.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
The engine is still making a strange noise.
I understand your concern. Let me check it again for you.
But I already paid. Why wasn't it fixed the first time?
I apologize for the inconvenience. I'll make sure it's fixed properly this time.
Can you check it now?
Yes, I'll inspect it right away. Please give me a moment.
All right. But I hope this solves the issue.
I'll do my best. We want you to be satisfied with our work.
Thank you. I appreciate that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.